my name is Esther. Everyone knows me as Lucky, and I trade with my partner Michael. You may know him as Superluckeee, but we both run this community and we're really glad that you made it. I've been trading for about 10 years now with a background in fashion, manufacturing, real estate, and sales and marketing. So a lot of that experience is beneficial to trading as well. My partner Michael has a background in finance and oil and energy. So with both of our knowledge and expertise, I believe that you could definitely find a trading edge that will fit your personality and your trading personality. So I'm going to give you a little bit tour of what we trade, how to use our community, services that we provide so that we make sure that you can fully utilize everything that we have to offer so that you can make as much as possible and enhance your trading. Let's take the tour. So as soon as you join, to go to onboarding, and everything is in here. You just go to the disclaimer, go to the student bio. It's good to get to know your community members, right? Please go through must-read instructions for class recordings, just basic rules. So here's announcements. This is where we will post maybe new classes. We have all our announcements, so please check it once in a while here and there. And then when it says everyone should be able to see it. So every week on Sunday night before the market starts for the week, we have a market review, both Michael and I, so that we can kind of talk about economic events, where we feel the market is going, and our best strategies and plays and targets for the week, since we focus on SPY, SPX, as well as earnings plays and momentum runners. So it's going to be really fun. So community frequently asked questions here. How much do I need on my trading account? We recommend some brokers. What time are we on voice? So we're on voice. Michael is usually on at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, and I join around 9 Eastern time. So he starts off in the morning, mostly trading maybe like the small caps from pre-market open, which is 7 a.m. Eastern time, but I mainly trade mega caps and options. So I come on a little bit later. If you go to market review, every week we post our market review video. Sometimes I'll post just basic videos that I feel like everybody will need, whether you're complete or alert success. So general lessons here, I would say make sure to check it out, but from the beginning actually. These are Michael's personal lessons here. I actually like these more than all the other ones, especially if you're a beginner trader. Just basic psychology on support and resistance, what it is, and then some technical indicators, things like that, right? So trading resources here, it's a lot of things that I recommend, a lot of free sites, and also it has my coupon code for Market Chameleon. It's my favorite website. We get you guys 2 weeks for free, and then just a lot of resources that you can go to. I love this site, Macro Churns. It's free. You can see all this economic data. Options strat. You could, if you don't have like TD or like a good broker that gives you strategies on your profit P&L potential, this is a great site that I would recommend also. So Superluckeee Trades. This is the one that I would say everybody goes to. Here's where Michael and I post all our callouts. So you can see, I update my positions. So here's like just an idea. Michael always starts the morning off with pre-market trades. Look, CVNA, right? And you know how much it ripped, right? This was an after Meta and everything earnings. So before the market starts again, I always talk about, okay, what I think is going to be the strongest play. But Michael and I both give the daily range in here. So he'll give the SPY range, and then I will also give a SPY range based on what I'm seeing in the options chain, right? Like I usually kind of like go after him because he's awake earlier than me. When I wake up, I look at the range, and then I kind of highlight out what I feel is going to be. And we are actually looking at different technical indicators, but we have a lot of the same targets. Look, 398, 412. He had 410, right? So we have a lot of the same, like 400, 403, I had 400, 404. So it's kind of cool to see that we have different indicators, but then we're looking at the same area. So main trading, this is where all our, even our alerts from Superluckeee trades goes into. So it's great because you could just hang out of here, see what everybody else is trading. We have a lot of people that are really good. They're calling out their own trades. We're posting charts together. I'm on voice, but I'm also describing things in here. So is Michael. So during trading, it's good to hang out in the main trading room. We have a lot of great swing traders in the community too. Some of our seniors, they like to post in here for some longer swing trade ideas. So make sure to check this out, especially if you go to work and you like swing trading. Okay, so earnings season. Okay, so here was my Apple strategy. So here's the earnings seasons. Apple, I gave the target 143.50 target before earnings. And then this was when it was really cheap actually. And then it shot up, right? So usually I have to kind of update this as the market kind of goes, because it's a little bit volatile because of all the rate hikes. So I'm going to try to be more consistent on this, but you can usually go in here. I'll give you the strike. I try to give guidance on which strikes to pick, as well as I post my chart, and maybe I'll highlight the confluence area based on my chart, as well as the options order flow. So make sure to check out earnings season, especially if you swing trade too, because you can use these targets that I put in here for the long-term swing trades. So I like posting a lot of my own ideas here, and then someone will ask me a question, okay, and then I'll like answer in here. Market analysis here, a lot of our senior traders and Michael likes to update in here, where he'll post like a lot of news. He discusses with some other people about economic events, so that's some market analysis. Option strategies are all the strategies that I have, and I would just go back in here, look at some of the stuff that I noted, like I talk about how options affect pricing, how to trade vertical spread, what's the difference, options setup and strategy. So this is all on how to set up your platform so that you're ready for options trading, right? Risk management, we have both different types of risk management. There's options spreads, and Michael goes a lot about trading psychology. He's probably the best at risk management. Option strategies, now here we both also share different strategies. So I like earnings, he likes day trading, he likes momentum, he likes volume. I like momentum, I like oversold, I like earnings run-ups, I like long continuation swing trades and shorting premium. So we talk about different strategies here. Technical analysis, I talk about my Fibonacci trading system, how to utilize that. The trading edges, me and Michael, we both talk about our specific edges. Like I talk about how to use ATR or implied volatility to get the target, and which options are the best. So there's specific strategies, so depending on your level of trading, you could just skip over different channels, find the class that suits you. Okay, so right when you join, and let's say, okay, you just joined and you want to know how to join us on voice, right? So if you go here, you could go to voice, click here, and then go to market analysis, right? And then yours should be already muted. But then right there, like you have to click on voice, then click on market analysis, and you should already hear it. So once you do that, and then you could see your name, right? And then it should be on muted mic. Now, sometimes I go on and off throughout the day because I'm eating, I'm doing other stuff. But when you see me with the unmuted mic, that means I'm on voice. Now, sometimes like I'll share my screen too. I'll either do a Discord screen share, or I share like a Zoom or StreamYard link. So we'll go over market analysis together. You can even see me place orders sometimes. I share screen when throughout the week, like maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Try not to DM too much because, I honestly don't have time. I want to make sure that I use all the time to give you guys as much knowledge as possible. Going to Lucky Discussion is the fastest way, or just in main trading, just put in @Lucky. Put in my name, like go in here, @Lucky, right? And then like hi, right? And then it'll highlight already So I'm gonna look at it. And say you just want to like get some alerts from just here. A good way to do it is right click, right? Notification settings, right? And then all messages or only mentions depending on what, right? So if you want just morning trades, then maybe you just want Michael, right? Or if you just want swing trades long term from me, then you could just put me. So depends. You can right click, right? And then put notifications, and then it'll notify you on your phone if you're at work or something. So that's a really good, cool way to do that. If you like certain traders, you could also do the same thing, notifications settings, and just put it in here. So one last thing is use the search bar. I think it's probably one of the best tools in the community. You can search my name, Michael's name, anybody's name, or just a ticker, and you can see a plethora of ideas from whether other community members or all my price targets. Participate a lot, ask some questions. Let's all share our ideas so that we learn and grow together and we all become super wealthy together. That's our goal, right? All right, see you in trading. Bye.